Imagine carrying a giant 215-inch screen in your backpack. No TV, no projector, no monitor, just a pair of glasses. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, today we're taking a look at the incredible Rokid Max AR Smart Glasses, a wearable display that promises a massive virtual screen, full HD Micro-OLED visuals, ultra-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and compatibility with your phone, Nintendo Switch, PS5, Xbox, PC, and more. But can these futuristic glasses actually replace your monitor, TV, or portable gaming screen? Let's find out. The first thing you'll notice is how surprisingly normal the Rokid Max looks. Unlike bulky VR headsets, these resemble a pair of stylish sunglasses. They weigh only about 75 grams, making them light enough for long viewing sessions. The weight distribution feels balanced, helping reduce fatigue during extended use. The frame includes built-in speakers, brightness controls, volume buttons, and adjustable focus dials. One of the coolest features is the built-in myopia adjustment. If you're nearsighted, you can adjust the lenses directly without needing separate prescription inserts in many cases. The glasses support adjustments from 0 to -6 diopters. For travelers, gamers, and tech enthusiasts, portability is a huge advantage. Now let's talk about the main attraction, the display. The Rokid Max uses Sony Micro-OLED panels with full HD 1080p resolution for each eye and supports refresh rates up to 120 Hz. When you put them on, it feels like you're looking at an enormous virtual display floating in front of you. Rokid describes the experience as viewing a screen equivalent to around 215 inches from several meters away. Whether you're watching movies, YouTube videos, or gaming, the image appears sharp, vibrant, and immersive. The Micro-OLED technology delivers deep blacks, rich colors, excellent contrast, smooth motion, crisp text. The glasses can reach brightness levels up to 600 nits, helping maintain visibility in different lighting environments. This is where the Rokid Max becomes extremely interesting. Thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate and low latency display system, gaming feels surprisingly responsive. Multiple reviewers and users report successful 120Hz operation on compatible devices. Imagine playing Call of Duty, Forza Horizon, EA Sports FC, Zelda, Mario Kart, Cyberpunk 2077 on what feels like a giant private theater screen. The glasses support connections to Nintendo Switch, PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, gaming laptops, PCs, compatible smartphones, all without carrying a bulky monitor. For Steam Deck and handheld gaming fans, the Rokid Max has become particularly popular as a portable large-screen solution. Movie lovers will probably appreciate the Rokid Max even more. Watching Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, or downloaded movies feels incredibly immersive thanks to the large virtual display and high-contrast Micro-OLED technology. The glasses also support HDCP content protection, which helps compatibility with major streaming services. The built-in directional speakers provide private audio without completely isolating you from your surroundings. It's almost like having a personal movie theater wherever you go. Now, let's clear up something important. Many people call these AR glasses. Technically, they do include head tracking sensors and some AR-related features. However, many users describe the Rokid Max primarily as a wearable private display, rather than a full mixed reality headset. If you're expecting holograms floating around your room like a futuristic sci-fi movie, that's not really what these are designed for. Instead, think of them as a portable giant screen you can carry anywhere. And honestly, that's where they shine. Connecting the Rokid Max is surprisingly simple. Many modern Android phones, tablets, PCs, Macs, and handheld gaming devices can connect directly using USB-C DisplayPort output. Additional adapters can expand compatibility to devices such as consoles and some iPhones. There are no batteries inside the glasses. They draw power directly from the connected device. That means fewer charging worries, but also some battery consumption from your phone or handheld device.
Here's what I like. Excellent Micro-OLED image quality, smooth 120Hz refresh rate, lightweight 75-gram design, huge virtual screen experience, built-in myopia adjustment, great for gaming, excellent for movies and travel, works with multiple devices, portable and easy to carry.
A few things to consider. Not true mixed reality AR. Some users report edge clarity depends on face shape and fit. Companion software experience may vary. Premium pricing compared to standard displays. Requires compatible USB-C video output or adapters for some devices. The Rokid Max isn't trying to replace a VR headset. It's trying to give you a giant personal display wherever you go. And honestly, it does that extremely well. With its bright Sony Micro-OLED screens, 120Hz refresh rate, lightweight design, built-in vision adjustment, and broad device compatibility, the Rokid Max delivers one of the most impressive portable viewing experiences currently available. If you're a gamer, movie enthusiast, frequent traveler, or someone who wants a massive private screen without carrying a monitor, the Rokid Max is definitely worth a closer look. Thanks for watching this review on Caring Guy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing tech reviews, smart gadgets, drones, cameras, and innovative products. See you in the next video.